We have Tom Casey from Hometown Restyling back with us again, and Tom's got some great insights on residing older homes. Tom, thanks for joining us again.
Happy to.
So, residing an older home, good idea or bad idea?
It's a great idea. Now, this house had aluminum siding on it. One of the things the homeowner could have done, depending on the issues they had with the old aluminum, how beat up it was, how well it was staying on the house, they could have just had it primed and cleaned and repainted was an option, but you're still dealing with 70s technology and really wouldn't have changed anything from a resale standpoint. From there, they could have looked at just a traditional vinyl siding from a maintenance-free standpoint and would have helped some on the impact standpoint.
Your crew's working on the siding in this house. Walk us through the process, Tom.
So in this particular home, what we did is we removed the existing aluminum siding. We put up a house wrap and then an insulation. The insulation helps flatten out the wall, so if we were going over wood siding, that would help level out the wood siding so we got a flat surface to work on. And then here, put the new Ascend siding up.
And that's a new product that you're pretty excited about. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
This is really the most exciting thing I've seen in the siding industry in a very long time. It's a glass-infused polymer. The glass particles, they give it structural integrity from a wind load, from a heat-resistant standpoint. Let's really bring a lot of vibrant colors to the market. It's got over 20 colors that are really eye-catching.
And it has that older home wood look to it.
It does. It's got the deep graining to really try and simulate that wood look and maintain its value. The stack lock design that it comes with helps from a wind load standpoint, so we don't have to worry about it being in the neighbor's yard. Very moisture resistant, and then with the graphite infused polystyrene on the back, definitely adds from the R value. When you start thinking about a stud wall, 2x4 wall is typically going to be in that R4, 4.5 range. For us to get an R2 just on this product, or when you combine the insulation that we put up there and an R3 to the exterior of the house wall, they're definitely going to see some energy benefits. You think about how well that styrofoam coffee cup protects your hand from the heat, it's going to do the same thing from an insulation standpoint.
Well, we like that. Again, winter months, keeping the warm air on the inside and the cold air on the outside. Again, it's good to hear about that R2 factor. Let's talk a little bit about the product cost efficiency.
From a price standpoint, it is a premium product. Generally, it's going to run probably twice what just a basic vinyl siding will run.
But last longer, you're looking.
Absolutely. To maintain its value, its look, from a longevity standpoint, I feel it's going to last twice as long, and you've got the deep, rich colors that you just don't get with basic vinyls.
All right. Well, Tom, thanks for giving us your perspective. And if you'd like more energy saving and home improvement tips, visit our website at powerhousetv.com. We hope you safely enjoyed this time-tested edition of PowerHouse.
We talked about ways to keep your older home energy efficient.
We shared key things to keep an eye on for safety as you invest in an older home.
We explored options to keep your old windows working, and we explored when it's time for new windows.
And we heard about exterior upgrades that can keep the look of an older home while adding energy-saving benefits.
Visit PowerHouseTV.com for additional tips and information on making and keeping your older home energy efficient. After all, every PowerHouse should be timeless.